use it as a rest of something them for the decor on the floor. You understand? Yeah. If me go live here the house of look, the house of it. If me go live here the house of it, nice. Yeah. Me like walk around in the house and my camera. The house of it look good. So I think if I put my touch on it because me go live here. Thank you guys. See you later. Alright, Brown, support me. Brown say yes, see you later. We should say no why you're well honestly say I agree too. Okay, wow, of course. Team Blue, me like on one. Yes, that is it. That is it. Thank you. Alright guys, so I guess we're gonna go shopping and we're gonna pick up some stuff. I think we can do that tomorrow. I'll pick up some old stuff. But me for go Kingston, so I guess we're gonna go Kingston tomorrow, right? Make sure you run water up there. No, we already have water yesterday. I already get the water yesterday. Babe, make sure saying go get the water. Like me have whole heap of water now outside. I'm understanding how a place set up, or you can, get your things and where you want, like the water supply and stuff. So me get that yesterday. What me go conquer now is the gas. Cause I love my belly and I love look after certain things. Guys, I beg you 4 rows, chat. We can get 4 rows, please. Thank you. She said, nice. Bless up yourself, of course. I'm going to live here, so a place I feel to just upgrade. Meanwhile, I work for my other house. But I don't want to tell nobody say, nobody have nothing to do with my other house because everybody pre my house too much. You get me? So I'm going to leave my other house offline. You get me? And watch and see what will happen. Too much eyes the permitting. So, if people want to believe, say, Ray, make them believe Ray. Once you live and do it, you have to just live. That's it. Yeah. Guys, we catch a double. I could use a double chat. Work in silence. Yeah, TT. Yeah. Surprise the haters, them, honey. Yes, baby. Good morning. How is the morning? It's a blessed morning. Hey, me not lie down. You saw me wake up them in the morning, yeah. A song me start playing in the morning, Me don't know. You have to live with me one honey. Big up yourself. You have to live with me if you agree with me. Because thank you, baby. When you get up in the morning right now, me I tell you say be a gospel song, Me I beat and go and cook, and clean up and then the little type of thing. Yes, Sunday dinner active. Right now, I know when I want to play one gospel song in our house. Right now, tell me truth. Right now, I know somebody get up. I want to run a song them in the house. I want to clean up. I want to do this. I want to set up for God work for Monday morning. Talk truth. Talk truth. It's a blessed morning, ladies. Blessed, wonderful morning. We have life. We have hope. God make we live. We still one more day again, and that is a blessing given unto us. In Jesus. So won't have to say no. Signal me I want to look on my phone. Why my phone? Yeah. Only can chat about good girl and not too negative. Theme Underpants can't fit pan Kevin. The man just come online and chat beer shit and I watch him in section every day in the pan line and watch Kevin. You get me? Where theme Underpants can't fit. Whole Lando Underpants fit Kevin. I'll be a shitty attack. You don't come like you're some fat. What the man do with the underpants? We move that take out the underpants from Ochi for your lanky underpants can come give the man. I disrespect the blood clot man. Eh? Uno people not tell the man the truth. Uno too wicked. Uno if you tell the man say you're a wicked ratted man because your baby mother. Your baby mother. Where this girl push out a child for you. You turn your back pan her. Oh, go on, good girl. Lando no come accountable.
No.
Oh, we take you underpants girl.
You not hear me?
Dirty girl, you not hear me?
You not
Big head. Lando. Accountable say, oh, me take in underpants can go give Kevin. And all the bag we may have, a theme bag. Other thing the media tell people, you know.
Whoa, you woulda kill this. You woulda kill this bad.
I can't believe so the man.
Look up Lando
No, film dirty linky underpants. So if you will pan, oh, take care that go give a man. We may do film dirty linky underpants. In underpants linky like him. None of people them not tell a man say Chanel, all of them in excitement, they not tell a man say, brother, you have one young baby. A young baby that a man have. You understand what I say? Don't even go to a woman as a baby pluck out a woman all in run left a woman. And that if you go talk about and come off for people and stop watch people everywhere they go. A wicked man that no for one woman, no what moon eyes and look how man wicked. That the man they are wicked man. At the end of the day, if you look into it, you understand me, this woman, this have baby. You man still in a pain. You understand what I say? And because the next man have your ex, you make it and left and run down somebody else. Come on, man. I don't know if you do it.
Thank you, Shaquille.